we about to go to Big Bear.
We're about to go right now.
Mount Rubidoux.
That's right. We're about to put some gas real fast, and we're gonna head to Mount Rubidoux, right? Mount Rubidoux?
No, we're going to Big Bear.
We're going to Big Bear. On our way to the trail of Mount Rubidoux.
Ah.
Young David being lazy. This is my first time coming to Mount Rubidoux. I usually just hike in the hills by Southridge.
Ooh, tell me that shit doesn't look dope.
It does.
Look at that little catch right there.
Are we gonna go up there?
Yes.
Fresh. Progress.
Panic what?
We were down there on that rock, and now we're on this rock. What do you have to say about this?
Bro, this is fucking awesome, bro.
It's dope, huh?
Yeah.
It's way better than being out there. But I still want a Lambo, though. What do you think about this, David?
Ah. Yeah. Don't want to be here, G. Fuck nature.
Don't be like him. We're sleeping, guys. Ugh. I'm not high on this adventure. Wish I was. Oh, almost fell. But look at that. This is very slippery. It's just dirt. I love dirt. Hey, Veeoneye, again, look, all these rocks for you, my boy. We out here making moves.
It's scanned, bro. It's scanned.
This guy's so mad. He's not enjoying the moment. Wonder who did this. 666. What did it say?
All-seeing eye.
All-seeing eye. And you know, watch, hey, come through. You know, in order to open your third eye, when you smoke weed or something, just rub this, and you'll open your third eye. Huh?
Yeah.
All you gotta do is smoke weed.
Yeah.
Then rub this right here, and your third eye opens. That was posted. He's fucking posted. This is dope. We should try to meditate, like, I know how to feel. Nah, but like up here, and like when you open your eyes, that shit.
You just see the view?
Like everything, like, I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. It just feels really, really good. It feels dope, bro.
It's some hippie type shit.
Never give up. Right there. Good job, guys. Never give up. Never give up. Yo, this amazes me. Like, the power of humans. It amazes me. Like, those guys back there, they have no legs. They're paralyzed from the waist down, and they do not give up. They're still out here hustling, living the moment. Like I said in my last video. Not worried about what they can or can't do. They just live the moment.
Let me help you.
So we really didn't plan for this video. It was just kind of unexpected.
Yeah.
It was just hiking last moment. We reached the top and now we're heading back down. There wasn't really much to see besides the city. The city looks nice, but we're expecting a better view. Check this out. We're actually not gonna go down the trail. We're actually gonna go down this way. Oh,
Skimpy road.
not. All right. Well, we made it to the bottom. About to hit Baker's, David's favorite spot.
Is that shit really dank or not?
Heck yeah.
You never had the double bacon? I've never been to Baker's.
Baker's is dank, bro.
For real? Is it better than In-N-Out? It's like In-N-Out, basically.
Yeah.
Nah.
Just Baker's is like older.
Nah, I don't believe you.
Alright, go about to see right now.
Get the double bacon.
Yeah.
Hey, shout outs. Shout out to Jackie Cervantes from SOS. From where? From SOS. What's that? Shout out.
Shout out to
Who shout out?
someone wanted me to shout them out.
Oh, you gotta remember it, bro. Them shout outs, bro. Joshua. Shout out Joshua. Shout out Jay Savage.
Nah, shout out to our homies at Kaiser. Shout out to Veeoneye, that's the homie. Quick Fresco and Dakota Wing.
Who?
Dakota Wing.
What is that? Tell me. With a face expression.
Roll your eyes back. Roll your eyes back.
Ooh.
Hey, but look what we got. Look what we got.
I mean, y'all to pepper.
What's that? Look.
Oh, these are hot. These joints are hot. Oh, wait, what did I say right there? Drug use is life abuse.
Smoke weed. Don't do drugs.
Right, the outro.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more lit videos.
Alright, that's it.